back, Jamil family.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. My name is Amy.
And I'm Mikey.
And today we're going to be doing the mystery chicken nugget challenge. Yay! So we're super nervous about this challenge because we have 3 good sauces and 3 bad sauces. I picked 3 and he picked 3.
Yep.
And so we're going to mix them up individually with our eyes closed so that way there's no cheating. So, like I said, we have some good ones and we have some bad ones.
Yeah, we're going to be eating some nasty stuff.
Yeah. And then we're going to rock, paper, scissors to choose your treat bag. So, welcome to the channel. Make sure you join the family right now by hitting the subscribe button down below. And if you've already been here, we love you. All right. Now, I think let's do like this so we can mix them up quick. And then we'll separate them back. Okay, you go first.
Now, you mix them up.
Okay, y'all tell me where he put mine. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's see. All right, now slide them back to the side. So, you ready for the mystery?
We're going to do a rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to choose whatever that next person is going to be eating from. And
we can't cheat because you're picking the bag for the other person, so.
I love to eat.
You're already eating. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 1, 2.
I always lose this shit.
Yeah, he does. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah!
How? How?
I know him like the back of my hand, y'all.
Anyways.
Okay, so your first, you don't have to close your eyes.
Oh.
Your first sauce of the day for the mystery challenge is going to be... You go, sir?
Okie doke.
That's your Christmas present? Steak sauce.
A1. I like A1.
On a nugget? Have you ever had A1 on a nugget?
No, have you ever had A1 on a nugget?
Comment down below if you had A1 on a nugget.
I bet you hadn't.
Somebody, one of our subscribers, I'm sure
this ain't no fake stuff. This is real A1. It came out of my refrigerator.
Yeah, we just used what we had, y'all.
Yeah, we're real people. We get stuff out of our fridge.
I know.
Have y'all ever smelled?
A1 sauce is good on a steak.
I feel like a fat ass because I like food. Let's see.
I actually wouldn't have mind.
Why is that right there?
Really?
It's not bad.
Oh, it's really good.
Wait a minute. A1 sauce on nuggets. It's not bad.
Did I got it in my face still?
No.
Was it good?
Yeah, actually.
You have to eat 2 nuggets, I think.
I think I could have another one though. It was that good.
Really? I was just kidding about the 2 nuggets. Thanks for the appetizer, babe.
Alright, you gotta make sure you can see.
Yeah.
Wait. A1 sauce is actually sour.
You're gonna use more?
Yeah, because I can't eat dry nuggets.
It's true. It's disgusting. By the way, let me just point out that I only eat my chicken nuggets with barbecue. I don't even like honey mustard or none of that with it.
Right. Close this back up. Like my McDonald's house?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna find another one like it. Right, so what? My turn?
Yes, you just pick a bag for me.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a blah, 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 toe. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. La, da, 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 do. Let's try this one. Feels light.
Oh no.
It better be a good one.
This is gonna be a nasty one, I know.
Pull it out so you can see.
Worcestershire sauce.
Oh.
Worcestershire sauce.
She gotta eat 2 full nuggets. And they all gotta have the sauce on it. You can't be no slippity diddly.
Yo, Worcestershire sauce?
Come on.
And this was one of the sauces I picked. That's what's messed up, man.
She picked it, she eat it.
Okay.
Don't spill it on my other stuff.
Yeah, I know. Okay, you're right.
No, that's not enough. There we go. Make sure they could see.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of Worcestershire sauce, so I don't.
Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Don't come for us. We don't know what the fuck it's called.
Worcestershire.
Whisper sauce. Listen, it's not bad.
Yeah, well, eat another one.
It's really not bad.
Yeah, so now you know. Worcestershire sauce isn't all that bad on some nuggets.
Yeah, try it.
And A1 sauce.
Yeah, I actually was hoping I would get A1 sauce.
Yeah.
Because I love A1 sauce. I'm so shocked. This is not bad. Okay, bye.
Yeah, no.
I'm shocked, y'all. I'm shocked. It's good.
Right.
Try it. Damn, I just splashed it all over me.
She made it. So, it's your turn, amigos.
All right.
Pick a bag. Anything. I'll eat it. You could give me some worms. I'll eat them.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Mikey likes to eat for show. What is it? What is it? What is it? Ding, ding, ding! Mustard!
I love mustard.
He loves hot mustard, not this mustard.
Yeah, I love hot mustard from McDonald's. But I like mustard period. Come on now.
I cannot believe I just eat Worcestershire sauce.
Have y'all ever eat mustard on a nugget?
I've never ate mustard on a nugget.
Yeah, that one's strong. Damn.
You gotta put more than that.
It's gonna be sour because it's mustard. It's
You,
thick.
Okay, I had Worcestershire sour sauce. That is like...
Sour. Sour.
Is it good?
Nah.
No?
It needed some ketchup with it.
Woo!
Have y'all
It's
ever
a
mixed
mystery nugget.
Have y'all ever mixed your ketchup and mustard together? That's what I do.
Yeah, he mixes his ketchup and mustard together for everything.
Take ketchup and take some mustard and mix it together, and that's a sauce.
You
It's sour alone. Gosh darn it.
gotta eat another one.
Damn. I'm gonna be full.
Yep. Off of the mystery nuggets.
Sour.
We're also gonna do this with chicken wings. And I cannot wait.
Yeah, we're gonna do some chicken wings. Mystery blah blahs.
Mystery sauces.
Not bad. At least I ain't got the Worcestershire.
Okay, out of 1 out of 10, what would you say?
It was sour.
Really?
Ain't no number. It was sour. All right.
Okay, you
Out
can't
the way.
touch the bag.
Wait, we
Because
gotta
then you'll know
put
if
the
it's
bag
heavy or not.
where they can see. Put the 3 together.
I feel like you're trying to cheat
Yeah.
to see if it's heavy.
3 together. Put our nuggets right here.
Okay.
Now, my turn to pick, correct?
Just pick one.
I can touch the top. Ooh, this one heavy.
Please don't be ketchup.
That's better not be ketchup. If it's ketchup,
It's freaking ketchup! Darn it.
I
don't
want
like
ketchup.
ketchup on nuggets, man.
That's the best.
This
Make
is not
sure
that
you can
bad.
Show, you know?
Yeah, this is not as bad. It could be worse. I don't like ketchup on my nuggets. Okay, ketchup on my nugget.
Yeah, that's come on now.
I don't like it.
That sucked.
I don't like it.
That sucked. Got the ketchup.
Crappy.
Not crappy. Don't insult my ketchup.
I hate ketchup.
My ketchup is the best.
Yep.
Yep. All right. You only ate one.
Ah.
Yeah.
You said all right. I thought I could get away with it.
Two more. One more, I mean.
A dollop of Daisy.
I thought I heard my kids. I told you they run my life.
Dog.
Damn dog.
Okay.
She made it.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do this. Golly, the last two might be disgusting.
There's yours. No! I wanted this one!
I don't like this shit.
First of all, oh, Charlie's. It's got some good honey mustard.
I don't like this.
Okay, Micah. You want to go down now?
Give me a honey mustard. And it stink like fake. It just stink like fake. You ever smell fake? This is it. Fucking
No!
ah! Go back.
Don't.
It ain't mine. It ain't my fault.
He definitely drinks out the milk carton now. We can see that.
This is disgusting.
It's honey mustard.
I don't like honey mustard.
Yeah, well, the next one is the worst one.
Ah! You have it. That's for you.
You guys are excited.
That's for you.
The next one is the worst one, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so upset.
This was her favorite one.
Yeah, I was really hoping.
She got this one out the fridge, thinking she was gonna get it.
Dang it! It's alright.
I'm about to be
when we
shitting.
do these wings,
About to be really shitting.
babe.
All this damn fucking.
When we do the wings, listen, right? We're gonna have some crazy sauces.
I don't want no more of this nasty shit.
I would trade you for the world for what I'm about to get. Seriously, I'm nervous. I don't even think it's fair. I'm gonna have to eat 2 nuggets of this.
Disgusting.
Okay, so obviously, this is my bag. Darn it.
I still don't know what the fuck it is. Pull it out.
Y'all ready?
Let's do it. I'll take one, you take one. We'll end the video strong. I'll eat one.
Y'all are not
whatever
gonna
it is.
believe what this is.
Let me see. What? I might not eat that.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce? You must be fucking crazy. On some fucking.
I was trying to fuck him up. And I ended up screwing myself. Darn it. Okay, let's do it together. Cheers.
I was.
Not he agreed. Jamil family, he agreed.
Not till I figured out.
Make him do it. They say you have to do it.
Do it. I hear you. Do it.
Stop saying. I'm just kidding.
Darn it.
Okay.
You first. Make sure you show them
What
you got on your stuff.
Ew.
Put a good bit, because this is the last one.
Yeah, I put.
No, it's not enough.
Babe, that's plenty. Look at it soaked into the nugget.
I won't be shitting in a minute. This is the way it's done.
Babe, I have more than you.
No,
It just
you
soaked
don't.
in.
No, it didn't.
Babe.
There we go. There we go. Now, the last one, we gotta hit it
Okay.
hard. This is for y'all.
Yeah, this is for Jamil family,
1, 2,
y'all.
3.
No, wait. We're supposed to choose.
I can't even eat it.
Really? I ate mine already.
You threw it out. Where'd it go? It's so bad. I can't even eat it.
I threw it out, y'all.
Don't eat that one.
I'm not. I threw it out.
Get another one.
Babe, you spit it out.
Yeah, look at this shit. I'm sorry, guys. It's so nasty.
Oh, no.
I put too much.
Can I trade to do
That's
the
what
A1
happened.
for
No,
this?
you can't trade shit.
Babe, but I love you. It's only fair. Okay.
Don't put too much, and I think that's the way to go. Yeah. So you put too much, it's too much.
Oh, my God.
Get it done.
Mm-mm.
I like soy sauce on my Chinese food.
It's Chinese food.
Okay.
Hurry up.
That was really bad.
Very bad.
Dang. My dog ate it.
Oh my gosh. Literally, this is the nastiest thing. I don't even eat Chinese food.
Holy shit. That was bad. That one that was
bad.
the ringer.
That was disgusting. And I was trying to set him up, y'all. And I screwed myself. Darn it.
Well, that was the mystery
Chicken nugget challenge.
I hope you enjoyed that.
Post notification time.
Yep.
Okay, so our first post notification shout out for the day goes to AB Fathering Autism.
AB Fathering Autism.
We really appreciate you, all of your support. We really do appreciate you guys having your post notifications on. We truly appreciate you guys. Thank you for joining the family. We could never repay you. Also, Life with Trima. Life with Trima. We appreciate you, girl. We love you so much. We see all of your comments and all of your love. We could never repay you, and we love that you're a part of the family. If you want a post notification shout out, all you have to do is
comment down below,
subscribe, turn your post notifications on, comment down below, and let us know.
Yep. Tell a friend.
Yes. So if you like, laughed, or love this video, make sure you subscribe down below, hit the like, share, and we'll see you in our next video.
You know it.